Yo, what is going on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you Cash App and how to enter a referral code so that way you get a invite bonus whenever you first sign up for Cash App. Now, a lot of people mess this up, and that's because they don't send or spend $5 in the first 15 days of them signing up, and that's what activates the bonus for you to get money back because the account don't know if you're active or not. So whenever you first download Cash App, you're going to want to scroll down to your profile settings and enter the referral code that I put in the description or in the comment section below. And then once you do that, you're just going to want to spend or send $5 after you connect a card or just send it to that account. And as you see here, I've been using Cash App for a while, so they give me a $25 invite code. So every single time I invite someone, I get $25. So make sure you guys do sign up if you don't have Cash App. And it's a great tool to do like any investing or just spend money, easily. And they offer like a whole bunch of things on here. It's pretty cool. So if you guys have any questions, just drop them down in the comments below, and make sure you guys like and subscribe. See you guys.